One of the key products we manufacture is Coulter blades. They come in different sizes, shapes, and forms. Most Coulter blades are 24 inches in diameter or less. The range of thicknesses is from 3 millimeters to 6.5 millimeters. Almost all Coulter blades that we manufacture are flat. They do not have any concavity to them. The reason behind this is because they run vertically behind a tractor. The vertical nature of the shape allows them to run at higher speeds than any of their products that we manufacture. Coulter blades have a variety of uses. Coulter blades can be used for tillage, they can be used for fertilization, or they can be used for planting. We have 5 main types of Coulter blades: a plain Coulter, a fluted Coulter, a wavy Coulter, samurai, and the turbo Coulter. Plain Coulter blades are primarily used for planting or broadcast spreading for crops like wheat, rye, barley, soybeans, and other grass-type crops. We also sell that to the aftermarket to customers like SMA and Shoop for fertilizer applications. The ripple or fluted Coulter is primarily used for row crop planting. Customers like Kinsey use a fluted blade for a no-till Coulter application. We also sell this to John Deere and the aftermarket to customers like SMA and Shoop. The wavy Coulter design is for deeper penetration in the soil and to move more soil as the product is being moved through the field. The primary use of a wavy Coulter is for no-till applications. These Coulters are placed before a planter for customers like John Deere and Kinsey to be used to move residue out of the way on a field that hasn't been tilled yet, so the planter blades can go into the ground and plant the field. The wavy Coulter doesn't quite go into the ground as far as a plain Coulter, but it will move more soil. The samurai Coulter is the most aggressive Coulter that we manufacture. The edge is designed to size residue and penetrate the soil at a very high rate of speed. We can manufacture that edge in a 20 wave or a 24 wave application. The higher the wave, the more the blade will penetrate into the ground. The lower the wave count, the more aggressive the blade will be. The turbo Coulter was one of the first patents that put Osmundson's on the map. We developed the turbo Coulter in the mid-90s, and that product has since taken off to be one of the most revolutionary blades in the industry. The turbo Coulter's specific design is to be a hybrid blade between a plain Coulter and an aggressive wavy Coulter. The turbo Coulter can still withstand high residue and high speeds, therefore making it one of the perfect matches for any Coulter application. The Osmundson Turbo Coulter is exclusively sold to Great Plains Manufacturing in Salina, Kansas. And because of this, they have a competitive edge in the market. Our partnership with Great Plains has been so successful that they've even named equipment after the turbo blade. A couple of examples of that is the Turbo Max and the Turbo Till, which are both very successful pieces of equipment that Great Plains sells in the industry. Coulter blades are all manufactured in a fixture quench process because the shape is a critical part of these products. When we fixture quench, the blades are held in a die until the product is heat treated. This means that the shape stays the same throughout the heat treat process. The evolution of the Coulter blade has changed significantly over the course of the last 10 to 20 years. Specifically, corn residue has become a real problem for farmers throughout the country. Nowadays, corn is designed to be very hardy and withstand all conditions that weather has to offer, be it hail, wind, heavy rains, so it's very hardy and very thick. As a result of that, there's a lot of residue left over in the fields, so Coulter blades are designed to be much more aggressive to be able to handle that kind of material now on the fields. As demand for higher yields grow, so will the amount of residue left over in the fields. Therefore, the evolution of the Coulter blades will be forever changing and forever evolving. Because of this, there will always be a market for the Coulter blade. If you would like more information on these products or processes, please feel free to reach out to me or your supervisors. Thanks for watching, and we're happy to have you on our team.